Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We're starting it off as usual with Dixie on a daily time frame. One thing I wanted to point out that yesterday's video we did hit our target and we're getting our pushback, but I would not consider this a bearish event. The daily open and close above the 21 EMA was great, and now today's daily close, if we can close above this 101.30, will cement the recovery possibility. We have got back into the breakdown area. We're consolidating this. Anyone who did not close out their shorts in this drop area more than likely will be trapped as we go back and test into where we broke down from at that 102.50 area. So just be aware of that moving forward into today's daily close. As Dixie consolidates here, as we consolidate close to the 21, we'll get some upside. After we bounce off the 21 EMA, all the local highs on Bitcoin, ETH, and tech stocks will be putting it in. So be aware of that moving forward. On the 4-hour EMA, you can see that we're coming to test into the 21 EMA. The cross of the EMAs above this cyan 100 EMA is very, very good and a bullish indicator. As long as we can hold open and closes above this 101.30, we should be looking for this to be accumulated sideways and then continue back up over this 200 EMA into this higher 102.50, 102.70 area, meaning that we will see downside on other assets if this occurs into the close of the day today or when Monday opens. So be aware of that moving forward. Now let me show you, as Dixie is pulling back, how it's going to affect Bitcoin on a daily time frame. As you can see, as Dixie's pulling back off of the resistance off the 55 EMA, we are finding support on that same 55 EMA on Bitcoin on a daily time frame, hoping to consolidate sideways. Even RSI showing you got a higher low, meaning you have a little bit of bullish divergence here. If buyers step up, then you have an opportunity to go test back into 29.5, 29.7, and between 29.5 and 29.7 would be the next point of resistance to break above, or we will use that as a shorting opportunity to roll over into the cyan over here at 28.4. The only way you can say, hey, 28.4 is coming is 4-hour open and closes underneath 29,200. That's your warning sign that, hey, 28,300, 28,400 is possible. If you get the 4-hour open and close above 29,400, which is $1,000 above this, then I will be looking for us to go test into this 29.7, 29.8 area to see if we can get a 4-hour open and close above it to go test into the $30,500 level. Level by level is how I recommend this moving forward. Today is Friday. Keep in mind, people are probably going to be trying to sell off, but the fact that we're coming into support like this and Dixie's pulling off, we might get a wick up to grab that liquidity before a rollover. So just be aware that this spread from yellow to red was much bigger than the spread now, showing you that prices are actually consolidating very tight for a break to the top side. This first rejection off the 200 EMA, second time we might just break right on through and get into this 29.9 area. So just be aware of that moving forward on Bitcoin, okay? Now let's go to Ethereum on a daily time frame. I'm going to try to make these as quick as possible because I got stuff to do. Now, as you can see, we are doing the same thing, consolidating, but the EMAs are consolidating above the 55 EMA. We're not even worried about the crossover over the 100 EMA, which occurred all the way over here. But now we are consolidating above the 55 EMA. The next thing that should occur is a nice pop up where the red EMA crosses the yellow EMA, confirming upside momentum, and us to go test into this 1930, 1950 area to see if we can open and close above it to break up higher. You can see this head and shoulder formation here. Unless we can get a 4-hour open and close above, I want to say 1880, I'm not even looking for 1930 to 1950. If we can get into 1880 and we find resistance, well, then that is going to be the next higher low or lower high for you to use as a shorting opportunity to go roll over and test into this 1780, 1790 area. So just be aware of that. As of right now, as you're holding this white EMA of support at 1850, 1860, I would consider us holding this support and looking for us to test up and taking the liquidity, because we've had about 10, 15 days of like this sideways down and grind, looking like a bullish flag because we didn't break the lows. So the only natural thing is up to go test into this 1930, 1940 area. Do not get bearish. Be aware of that, guys, moving forward. Let me give you the 4-hour spiel. On the 4-hour, you are obviously coming off some bullish divergence. You got other drives of bullishness, and you're above the 0.501 RSI. I'm looking for us to go test into this 1880 first step, getting that 4-hour open and close above 1880, and then we could look for this 1940, 1950 before the day closes today. If we can't get above 1880 before the daily close today, next week I'm looking for downside. And that's as simple as that. That's basically all I have for you guys today. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. Leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications if you haven't already. If you want to trade with me live, feel free to join me on the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of the video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend. So thank you for your help. Aside from that, guys, have a great day. Happy Friday. Trade carefully. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.